Greetings and welcome to the lesson. Today we are going to discuss the importance of customer retention. The subject is principles of marketing and communication. Importance of customer retention. Candidates in the modern world where the cost of finding a new customer is rising daily, customer retention then becomes the primary driver of profitability. Customer retention means maintaining or keeping the current customer so that they can come and buy from you every time. They need a product, they come to you and not to they don't go to the competitors. Retaining customer means keeping your current customers engaged so they continue to buy from you rather than switching to a competitor. You understand? So why is it important for a business to retain customers? That's what we want to find out from our today's lesson. And therefore, by the end of this lesson, you should be able to explain the importance of customer retention. And the first reason why customer retention is important because it can lead to massive cost savings. One, massive savings. You can save a lot of money by retaining the current customers because the cost of getting a new customer is very high. It is 5 to 25 times cheaper to retain an existing customer than to acquire a new customer. For a new customer, you must pay for awareness advertisements, you must pay for sales calls, you must do trust building and so on. So it's very expensive to obtain a new customer because an existing customer already knows, likes and also trusts you as a brand. And the impact is that every shilling you save on acquisition is adding directly to your profitability. Any money that you save on advertising, that money adds to your profitability. It adds to your profit margin. So that's the first reason. Customer retention leads to massive cost savings. That's number one. The second reason why customer retention is important is because it increases customer lifetime value. It leads to increased customer lifetime value. The longer, that is to mean, the longer a customer stays with you, the longer a customer stays with you, the longer a customer stays with you, the more they spend. The longer they stay with you, the more they spend on you. Understand? And a customer who buys a 500 item once is worth 500 shillings. But a customer who buys that 500 item every month for every 3 years is worth about 8,000 shillings. A good example is a local water refill company or station, a local refill station. A local water refill station survives not on one-time walk-ins, but on the families who bring their 20-liter jerrycans every week for years. So that is what we mean by increased customer lifetime value. Increased customer lifetime value. I've given you an example of a water refill station. Number two, there is reduced, let me say reduced or increased sensitivity to price. They have low sensitivity to price. Loyal customers are less likely to leave you just because a competitor dropped their price by 5 shillings or 10 bob. They stay for the relationship, they stay for convenience, they stay for service quality. And it protects you from price wars that are destroyed by small businesses or so on. So a customer who is loyal to you, who you retain for long, may not switch to a competitor just because the competitor dropped the prices. Because in a very competitive environment, you find that most companies resort to price wars, reducing prices so that they can get customers from their competitor. So if you have customers that you retain for a long period of time, they have they may not be convinced to switch to a customer just because to a competitor just because the competitor has reduced the price, reduced sensitivity to price. That's the third reason for customer retention. Number four is higher success rate in upselling. Higher success rate in upselling. Higher importance of customer retention. Number four, it leads to higher success rate in upselling. That is to mean that the probability of selling to an existing customer is around 70 to 60%, whereas the probability of selling to a new prospect is only about 5 to 20%. You understand? Yes. That means that if a customer already trusts, say, a certain bank, Bank A or Bank B, if a customer trusts Bank A for their savings account, they are much likely to say yes when the bank offers them a car loan or insurance. You understand? That is to mean that it's very possible, easier for you to sell another product to an existing customer than selling the product to an entirely new client. If you already are in a relationship, with example, with the Bank A, you've been saving with the Bank A for 10 years, and the Bank A introduces another product, say insurance. You are likely to trust that bank than any other bank. That's what we mean by higher success rate in upselling. That's what it means. Then the fifth reason why customer retention is important is because of the free word to mouth marketing. Free word to mouth marketing. People trust a friend's recommendation over a billboard. I'll trust what my friend tells me about a product than what I read on the billboard or in a television advertisement. So retained happy customers becomes your brand ambassadors because they keep telling others about your product, the benefits of the product. So that is free word to mouth marketing. And the impact is that they refer their friends, their families, and also their colleagues to your to you free of charge. They act as volunteer sales force to you. Understand? Yes. So these are 5 reasons why customer retention is important. Number 1, leads to massive cost savings. Number 2, leads to increased customer lifetime value. Number 3, has reduced sensitivity to price. Number 4, higher success rate in upselling. Number 5, free word to mouth, word of mouth. Supposed to be word of mouth, free word of mouth. This leads to free word of mouth marketing. Free word of mouth. This one, the mouth. The words that come out of the words. Okay, word of the mouth. Instead of people seeing your adverts in the television on the billboard, people believe referrals. They believe the word of those who've already used a product, and so on. So customer retention candidates is very important. It has become the primary driver of profitability. Companies today are concentrating on retaining their current customers more than getting new ones, because retaining the current customers is cheaper than getting new ones. And research has showed that increasing your customer retention rate by just 5% can increase your total revenue or profit by 25%, 95%. And that is because repeat customers cost less to serve and usually buy higher margin products. So that's all for today's lesson. We meet in our next session where we continue to share knowledge in marketing. Bye-bye.